Where's Miss Rachel? Peekaboo. Horrible and anti-Semitic like that. I don't want to say that it is okay to be human and it's okay to make mistakes. And I'm old, so I am not as good with touching things online, I guess.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to get notifications anytime I go live or make a video. Make sure you still subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Let's get into this. And y'all may know this hoochie mama. Having a bad hair day and want to look like a victim. Look like somebody interrogating this fool. Bring Miss Rachel up here. Miss Rachel lied like a mud, man. Miss Rachel already pushing anti-Jewish propaganda. I seen it a mile away. Miss Rachel lied. I don't know why her nappy head self got on the screen and want a fake cry to make you feel bad. Miss Rachel is a dirty dog. Don't let your kids watch this dirty dog lying and being deceptive. Let me tell you what. If I can prove Miss Rachel lied, y'all, I know none of y'all watching. I'm talking about, tell your auntie and them with her silly self. And your cousin them and your sister-in-law, mother-in-law with their silly self. Go tell them that if Miss Rachel lied about this, which I'm going to prove, then, and this is just me, I can't prove that she lied technically, but I can give you enough reason to believe that she more than likely lied about this. Go tell your people that they can't watch it no more. Roll the clip of what this fool tried to lie to the public about. Roll it.
So I thought I deleted a comment and I accidentally hit like and hide. I don't know how or why. I've accidentally liked.
Stop it. Stop it. She said, bruh, she said, I thought I deleted, but I accidentally hit like and hide. How you think you did an action, but you actually did two actions? I appreciate all the people who have gotten verdict already, because a ton of y'all have gotten verdict. I mean, so many people, my head is spinning. And you will not be disappointed. The best bourbon I've ever tasted. If it wasn't the best bourbon I ever tasted, I would not waste my time, effort, energy, and investment into starting a bourbon. Best bourbon on the market. Are you a guilty or not guilty type person? I'm more of I do both. Sometimes I'm feeling guilty. Sometimes I'm feeling not guilty. But make sure if you're interested, it's available for pre-order right now. You can also read the story of how we developed Verdict. It's listed right here. It's also on the back of our bottles. So make sure if you're interested, go on. You must be 21 and over, obviously, but you make sure you drink responsibly. We don't do the irresponsible drinking. We don't do the drinking to get drunk and intoxicated. Pre-order today. When you get the checkout, if you get both, we got free shipping for you. If you get the case, we got free shipping for you. And also, if you have any issues, just message us on customer service. Let us know. How you think you did an action, but you actually did two actions? Like, what do you think? We not babies. Miss Rachel, we not babies. You a baby talking to us? I'm sorry, I think I hit the wrong button. A little kid may believe you. We grown, fool. We know you didn't we know you didn't accidentally thought you hit one, but I'm gonna show y'all. Let her finish, and I'm gonna show you why she just lying. Roll the clip.
So I thought I deleted a comment and I accidentally hit like and hide. I don't know how or why. I've accidentally liked comments before. It happens. Like, I'm a human who makes mistakes. I would never agree with an anti-Semitic thing like the comment. We have Jewish family. A lot of my friends are Jewish. I delete anti-Semitic comments. I have proof because yesterday somebody messaged me. There was a comment that said that. So I said, yes, I saw that and I deleted it because that's what I thought happened. And then I said, I hate anti-Semitism. And so the internet, I guess, has picked it up, believing that that's what happened. I feel like we can't be human anymore online.
What?
Like, we can't
lie
anymore. And I'm
anymore.
so sorry for the confusion it caused. I'm so sorry if anyone thought that I would ever agree with something horrible and anti-Semitic like that. I don't want to say that it is okay to be human and it's okay to make mistakes. And I'm old, so I am not as good with touching things online, I guess. I have liked things by accident before it's happened, and I've been like, oh my gosh, let me unlike that. I can't believe I accidentally like that. Like, it's happened to me before, and my advocacy is wonderful and beautiful, and I'm so proud of it. And there's nothing wrong with it, and it shouldn't be controversial.
Shut up.
To say.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. I got to treat her like a kid. Shut your mouth right now. Ma'am, you have not stood up for Israelis one time. You have not done any advocacy for the people that were killed on October the 7th. You have done nothing. You were at an award ceremony with Free Gaza and Palestinians and all kind of pins and stuff on you. You have had all the Jew haters on your show that ain't got nothing to do with kids, crying for Palestine. What are you saying that you lied? Just say you accidentally, at least your lie could have been believable. I accidentally hit the like button, I didn't mean it. That would have been easy. Just say you accidentally hit the like button, you believe it. You said you like it, hid instead of deleting. Come on, pull up on the screen. Y'all can't watch it no more after this. I mean, if you want to watch it, that's up to you. You silly anyway if you're watching them. But let's pull up on the screen. Pull up the proof text. I think first let's go to the lineage of what we described before we start the show. Let's go through those clips in order. So the first one I think was going to be, we described it. The first one was going to be the other clip. No. It was going to be the girl's message to her. So let me read this real quick and you can see her response, then we're going to go through the proof text, all right? It says, "Hi, Rachel. Just wanted to let you know there's a comment under your last post that says Free America from the Jews. That says like by the author. Now think about this. She couldn't have hit it if others can see it. So she never hit it. She clearly liked it. But when she got busted that she liked it because of her anti-Semitic behavior, she was proud enough to say, I'm gonna like it and I'll deny it if I get caught. So the lady goes on and says, I'm not sure if it was an accident, so I wanted to let you know. This was she write her back. Deleted? How horrible. Oh, wait, let me check. I did delete one like that. Well, wait a minute, one like that. Did you delete the thing or did you not? Because you're telling her you deleted one like that, not the one that you saw. Then she goes on to say, yeah, I believe I deleted that earlier, right? When I saw, I deleted that earlier, right when I saw it. I hate anti-Semitism. Now let's go through how this is what it showed. The people could visibly see it. She never hit it. Now let's go to how do you not like or delete comments. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to be smart to realize what went on here. When you're on your cell phone, which is probably what she was on, if you want to like something and hide it, you have to go all the way to the side, hit the like button, and you have to go all the way to the button underneath next to reply and hit hide. There's no accident. You can't hit two buttons at the same time. And you can't hide it before you like it. So she had to intentionally go and hit like and then hide. Now we know she never hit hide, like she said, because everybody could see that she liked it. Now, if you want to delete something, you got to hold the comment down and then this pops up. And you got to scroll all the way down to hit delete. There's no accidentally doing one of the two or three of those things. There's an action of holding, and they did it intentionally. That's the way Meta did it, so you don't accidentally do any of these things. You hold it down, this pops up, you scroll down in the red, you put report, block, or delete. Now put this in perspective, y'all. This is how you know that hamburger heifer lying. Put the screen back up. Why didn't she report the comment? The comment is disgusting. She hates anti-Semitism, remember? Why did she click report? Why didn't she put block? She claims she deleted it. What? Lies.